Alright, so Bryce, let's get going on section 3.6. I made a mistake and went ahead and did number 43 instead of 47. So this is 43. Just a good reference for you. I do number 47 for you later on here. So x and y intercepts, remember for the y-intercept we're just setting x as 0 and solving. I think that would be what? Negative 4 over 2, so negative 2. And then the x-intercept, we'll go ahead and set y equal to 0 and solve. So not too tough there. I believe that one is 1. So for vertical asymptotes, we literally just set the denominator equal to 0. Sorry for the dogs barking in the background. So yeah, we'll set the denominator equal to 0 for the vertical asymptote, and for the horizontal asymptote, we'll just take the ratio of the leading coefficients. Leading coefficients are the numbers out in front of these x's here. So we take that ratio, so that's 4 over this imaginary 1, and that becomes 4 over 1, which is 4. So the horizontal asymptote is the line y equals 4. Alright, so I have the little graph here, and again, it's stupid because it's not the right problem, but I do the other problem a little later on. So yeah, I'm just drawing in these asymptotes in red. Again, asymptotes are just like walls, like the function can't go through them, so we just kind of draw them exactly like that. Perfect. And then we can check what our domain would be. Obviously, we can't have x equals minus 2. So we say everything before minus 2, so negative infinity up to minus 2, and then everything after minus 2, so minus 2 up to infinity. And then the range, again, we just can't include 4. So we're going to go ahead and, why can't we include 4? Well, because we have this, this asymptote here. So the range would be everything from negative infinity up to 4, and then 4 to infinity. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll move on here. I think this is, number 63. We just have the function. We have x squared plus 4. X squared plus 4x minus 5. And that's over x squared plus x minus 2. Alright. Okay, so we're basically just simplifying this. What I do is I go ahead and factor. So factoring is not too tough. Just kind of pulling things apart, and that way we can cancel. So go ahead and cancel those out there, and we get x plus 5 over x plus 2. Okay, so now we're basically looking for the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. X-intercepts, remember, that's when it touches the x-axis, so that's when y equals 0, and the y-intercept is when x equals 0. So we just solve there. Nothing too crazy. For the asymptotes, the vertical asymptote, remember these are like lines, so we say x equals or y equals. And the vertical, again, we just set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. So for the vertical asymptote, we set x plus 2 equal to 0, and then we solve. Subtract the 2 over to the other side, and that's how we get x equals minus 2. And the horizontal asymptote is, again, just that ratio of the numbers out front. There's 2 imaginary 1s out in front there. 1 over 1 is just 1, so that's why our horizontal asymptote is 1. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and move on to number 65. Okay. Try to find that in the pictures so I have a reference here. Alright, perfect. It's actually in the same one. Cool. So now we just go ahead and factor that top part. That way we're able to just cancel out these x plus 1 terms. And when we do that, we just get x minus 3. So that, that's pretty simple. There's no asymptotes there because it simplifies to this right here. Okay. All right. Cool. Number, let's see here. This is me doing 47, like I promised. So I just kind of write all that out. Okay. All right. So going through and doing the y-intercept, you're basically just plugging in 0 for all of those. So it's like that goes away, that goes away, that goes away, that goes away, and we just get negative 18 over 16. So that's why we have that y-intercept. And our x-intercept, I'm factoring this bottom term here into x minus 4, x minus 4. Okay. So then our horizontal or our vertical asymptote is 4 because we've went ahead and solved. All right. So basically, this one's really similar to 43. Sorry, I did the wrong one at first. But go ahead and just graph after that, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions further, please just go ahead and contact me. Thanks.